This year's theme is Mental Health, Humanitarian Emergencies, Access to Service, highlighting the importance of people being able to protect their mental health in times of global instability.
Today's gathering is about more than talk. It's about building awareness, sharing hope, and mobilizing action. We want to reduce stigma, show that help is possible, and strengthen our community's capacity to support each other in good times and bad. To everyone here, community members, health workers, faith leaders, youth, your presence matters. Together we can make mental health care more accessible, more compassionate, and more real for all.
We label mental health as a lot of things, but in other words, mental health is also a social issue. That is why we are seated here today. It starts from the house. It starts from within us. That is why we are here today to commemorate this day. Because one way or another, you are affected or you are affecting other people.
Many times, community members, we feel that we don't have a leaders. It's the social workers. Only the social workers. They have the knowledge, they know what to do. It might be that you are also more educated or you know a thing or two, you have a technique or two to handle this person, so to help these persons. Let's do our part also. Please meet us halfway.
Attendees of the commemoration also took part in panel discussions focusing on breaking mental health stigma and fostering support. Lukman Klute, NBC News, Keetmanshoop.